Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night somewhere in the world. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anita Rivers of Classic Royalty. And as you guys can see from the title, today I will be taking you guys along with me to find some fabric for my backdrop photo shoot. For my photo shoot. You guys know that due to COVID, everything is closed. A lot of people aren't booking. Photographers are booked. Studio time is booked. So I will be taking a corner in my house and transforming it into a studio. So come along with me as I find some fabric for this backdrop. I need something green, something red. I need a plain white one so I can edit it myself. Yes, let's do this. I'm pretty sure I can do it. I have my iPhone, I have my iPad, I have my MacBook computer. I have the best apps to edit a background, give my face all smooth and stuff. So let's go, let's do this. Alright guys, so I finally made it in Save-A-Thon and I got some fabrics here. I need a basic cotton, but then something that's also not see-through. So I was thinking about getting something shiny so it can still drape, but nothing too hard and something not expensive. China silk. This is too thin. I like this, but it's $4.99. If I need to get like 3 or 4 yards, that's gonna be too much money. I'm looking for cheap here. Cheap. Oh, this feels nice. No shopping. I have to remind myself, I'm not here to spend money.
And aware of your surroundings. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Report suspicious activity to 1-888-TIPS-NJT or text your report to NJTPD.
Only for my backdrop, so I don't need to spend a lot of money on anything.
Or text your report to
So I definitely found a fabric that I like.
That's Amazon.com/a
This right here. It's a poly satin charmeuse, I think. It's hard to tell. And it flows great, but they don't have red and they don't have white. For $2.99. And then I also found this. It's just a little stiff. The color is what I want and the price is not bad either. Alright, so I'm gonna get this red for my backdrop. And I'm gonna get this white and this red for my backdrop. I'm only using it for a backdrop so I can easily edit this and smooth it out and make it clean and stuff. Okay, so now I'm headed to one more fabric store. My ass should have came here first because shit in here might be fucking cheaper. Duh, Anita. I just came into this other store. This is $3 a yard. I should have came in here first. Lord, look at this fabric. Tall as the ceiling. How would you get any of this home? Look at this. Hella long, like crazy. Alright, y'all, so I'm done. Now I'm gonna go to some thought store or some lingerie store and try to find me some sexy Christmas Mrs. Claus lingerie. Alright, y'all, I can leave and I can go home. It's this store and we got sheets. That's cute. Okay. Hey guys, so I made it home. Please ignore the shirt. I just ran outside, fresh out of bed, I don't want to be outside during this season of shopping and all that stuff. But I am home, and I will see you guys in my next video as I'm putting up the fabric for my backdrop. I don't know how I'm going to put it up. I don't know where I'm going to put it up, but you guys will see that in the next video. Bye, guys.